Y'all know I'm not gonna be on Blue Ivy's internet sounding a fool. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey, it's finally here. It's finally time. It's time for my Black Friday haul. Let me just say, Black Friday this year was on a whole nother level of ghetto. From the recalls, to the passive aggressive emails, to the rude social media posts, it was just on a whole nother level of just no. But finally, we got everything in. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get started. So first up is Gray Alea. Actually told you all in my Black Friday wish list that I wanted to get a couple of their wool caps. So I did go ahead and get a couple of those. I believe that they were 50% off or buy one, get one free, which is essentially the same thing. So I got two of the wool skull caps. I got one in gray that I haven't worn yet, and then my black one, which I've been wearing a lot. Typically I just kind of slap it on like the nugget, like the hook of my head, as my grandmother would call it, and just rest it there. Really cute. And of course it is lined in satin, so our edges will continue to flourish. Love these. Really good quality, nice thick wool, durable and super warm. So love these. So now let's go ahead and get into some products. Next up, I got a couple of products from Camille Rose Natural. I did re-up on my lavender shaken hair spritzer. You all know that I have been loving on this year, and I'm going to take this with me in 2020. Like, it's coming with me, okay? And I'm going to continue repurchasing this as long as there's a sale. Also from Camille Rose Natural, I picked up one of their new products. This is the Spiked Bakuri Styling Foam with exotic bakuri and Andaroba oils. So you all know that I love to use a mousse to style, and I am looking forward to trying this. I already have seen a couple of reviews and I'm worried, but still gonna give it a shot. So be on the lookout for a video about this very soon. So next we have a pretty unplanned purchase, right? So what had happened was Ulta was having a 40% off sale, right? So I was like, oh, let me go ahead and grab this. So I went ahead and picked up the Curlsmith High Definition Curls 3-step system. I want to say the regular price of this is probably somewhere around like $70, but I got it for about $40 including tax. Let me just go ahead and open it. So first up in the bundle is the Curl Quenching Conditioning Wash. So this is a co-wash. This is geared towards extra thirsty, curly, wavy, or kinky hair. So excited to try this. The bundle also includes the Moisture Memory Reactivator. So this is like a leave-in conditioner? Yeah, this is actually their refresher spray, and it says that you can use it to refresh or rehydrate between washes. It says you can spray it on dry hair, or you can use it as a leave-in conditioner by applying it to damp hair after washing. So excited to try this. And last but not least in the bundle is the Curl Defining Styling Souffle, and this also says that you can use it on damp or dry hair by scrunching to create definition. So we gonna see. So next up, I got a few products from Honey's Handmade. So Honey's Handmade had a couple of great sales. I think they did a few hours of 65% off. There's another short period of time where they did like 55% off, and then I think they did another sale for maybe Cyber Monday for 45 or 50% off. So obviously I hopped on during the 65% off sale. So I did pick up a couple of the new products from Honey's Handmade. The first product that I got is their Elderberry and Black Seed Babasu Growth Enriched Hair Mask, which is a deep conditioner. So far I've had a pretty good success record with Honey's Handmade DC, so I'm excited to give this a try. Next up, I got their Coconut Water Slip and Glide Glycerin Free Gel. I know I've mentioned before on my channel how I've kind of laid off of the gels just because it's gotten cooler here where I live, but I'm excited to give this a try, especially since the humidity is lower. I'm definitely going to give this a try and see if I get some good hold, and of course I'll report back. So be on the lookout for a review of this as well. So aside from those two new products, I did want to try a couple of other products from Honey's Handmade, but I didn't want to get too much just because I still have a few products from their Melba's collection that I need to try. The first being their pumpkin safflower apple butter co-wash. This is not a new product, but I wanted to give it a try. I've had a good run with her co-washes. I love her black soap avocado co-wash, and I love the sweet potato low pool co-wash. Last but not least, from Honey's Handmade, I did pick up the macadamia and avocado salted caramel custard. I think I've mentioned before on my channel how I love the coffee curling custard from Honey's Handmade, so I definitely wanted to give this a try. My good friend Curly Girl Jess raves about this and really loves this product, so I definitely wanted to give this a try. So be on the lookout for a video involving this product as well. I think I've been vocal before on my channel about Honey's Handmade. The shipping could use some work. The customer service could use some work, but as far as I'm concerned, the products have had a pretty good success record. So that was all I picked up from Honey's Handmade, so let's go ahead and move on to some mess. Before I get to the mess, let me just go ahead and tell you about my ordering experience, specifically with the next two companies that I'm going to mention. Both of these companies actually had Thanksgiving Day sales, and you had to be on their website at 6 p.m. in order to lock down everything. You all know I'm in a group chat. We get on the website 6 o'clock, either something was out of stock or just wasn't on the website at all. So you had to keep refreshing. That got on my nerves. So once you get everything in your cart and you check out, you get your order confirmation, blah, 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 blah. I waited X amount of days and either I got a shipping label with no movement or I just didn't get a shipping label. Both of these companies, I felt, kept sending passive aggressive and or condescending emails and social media posts. However, this next company I'm about to mention, I want to be a little more lenient and a little more empathetic just because they actually took accountability. That company in particular is Mische Beauty. The first product that I picked up from Mische Beauty was their Boost Hydrating Leave-In and Curl Refresher Spray. This is a new product that they were launching for Black Friday, and this is a daily curl refresher spray and a lightweight leave-in conditioner with a spray nozzle. I haven't opened this, I haven't tried this, I haven't smelled it or anything like that. Because Mische has had a pretty decent run and hasn't launched anything new, I was eager to get my hands on this. So you all know I love me a good refresher spray, and I'm going to be giving this a try. So make sure you're on a lookout for a video on this. Mische also launched some limited edition holiday deep conditioners. The first one is their peppermint candy cane scent. I actually already tried this and it smells just like a peppermint chocolate kind of candy. This is a limited edition product, but I do think that they're still running a pre-order sale if you all would like to get your hands on this. So definitely check out Mische Beauty's website if you would like to try it. I also picked up their warm sugar cookie holiday deep conditioner, so excited to give this a try as well. In my last video, I did mention that I would discuss how I got my hands on the hydrating twisting butter from Mische Beauty. I placed my order on Thanksgiving Day. I think that following Tuesday, I received a shipping notification. So I expected to have my items no later than maybe December 7th. My package didn't move. Now, of course, I know Mische was bombarded with Black Friday sales, so I really wanted to be understanding. So I didn't bother to inquire about the shipping of my package. I know that I got my order in within the first few minutes that the sale went live, so I wasn't really worried about it. But once Christmas Day started to creep up, I decided to go ahead and reach out to inquire about my order. So I sent Mische an email and they got back to me within a few hours. They got back to me pretty quickly and they told me that there was an unexpected delay, but they were fully accountable and even offered to give me an extra product, which is why and how I got the hydrating twisting butter. They also offered me a coupon code for the inconvenience, which brings me to the next product. This is the Mische Bounce Curl Defining Cream. I think I got my order from Mische on December 21st. I think right before Christmas they sent out an email that they were actually recalling this product because there was some type of issue with a supplier of a specific ingredient, and because there was an issue with that, they wound up going with another supplier and the product wound up not performing up to par, so they're actually going to be sending out replacements to everyone that has been ordering this. Now, what I can say that's annoying, inconvenient, irresponsible, bad business practice, poor customer service, while all of these things are true, it can also be true that this company is doing their level best. It's unfortunate that this has been recalled. I don't know if I'm going to actually give it a try or wait for the replacement. All I know is that I'm trying to be empathetic to the fact that they are trying to jump in front of it, that they're replacing it, and that they offered a coupon code to everyone that ordered this. So, oh, Mische, we're rooting for you, Mische. I commend Mische for trying to keep up with the demand, but I don't know if I'm gonna be ordering from them again. So finally, I got my order from Soultanicals. This was another company that kind of left a bad taste in my mouth. The emails, the social media posts, like it just got to be too much. I'm really huge on customer service, and Soultanicals just dropped the ball with this. So let's just call a spade a spade. Regardless, here are the products that I got from Soultanicals. First up, I got the Master Hair Cleanse Curl Detox, which is a clay cleanser. I've been really eager to try this. You all know that I'm trying to find other ways to cleanse my hair and scalp without having to mix things myself. Can't wait to give this a try. I also picked up 2 of the Ayurvedic butter shampoos. Have heard outstanding reviews about this, so I'm excited to give this a try. I probably will try these this weekend. I also picked up the Sprout Rice Vitamin Butter Shampoo. You all know that Soultanicals was the company that I wanted to try most, so pressed. I also picked up their Hibiscus Hair Healer Healthy Scalp Therapy Mask, which is a deep conditioner. Also picked up 2 of the new deep conditioners from Soultanicals. This is the Glide and Go Deep Ayurvedic Fenugreek Mask Treatment with herbal teas and botanicals. So super excited to try this. I already heard behind the scenes that this is a banger, so I'm definitely going to be giving this a try. So make sure you're on the lookout for those videos. That, friends, is everything. That is everything that I picked up for Black Friday, and now I have to put it away. Thank you all so much for being patient regarding this Black Friday haul. Make sure you drop down in the comments and let me know some of the things you picked up this Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Continue to enjoy your holiday season. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.